Hi, welcome to the Mountain Spoke website that I created. As you notice, you can see the colors go well with the theme that they wanted, with a nice mountain bike theme. The Mountain Spoke website has a navigation that has wayfinding, so you can see it goes to all the different pages, and it shows you which page you're on through the color that comes up with it. And as you look at the home page, you can see it has good style with working links. You can look at the sales page with an interactive menu that shows the different bikes depending on advanced, intermediate, and beginner. And we'll go back to the home page. And you can see the events page, which talks about the the Continental Divide. It has the great map with the little explanation up here. It also talks more, it has some more facts about it as you go down. You can see. It also talks about when, the cost, where, and who would be able to do it. With the registration, I'll go ahead and register. And it gives you a thank you page for filling it out. And let's go back to the home page. We can look at our upcoming events that we have. Oh wait, we just did upcoming events. Let's go back, sorry. Let's go ahead to adventures and scheduling. So these are some of the adventures that we have available. We have a beginner trail, an intermediate trail, and an advanced trail that you can schedule. And then you also have some luxury add-ons that might be interesting for some people. I would like the full butler service myself. We also have our services page, which lists our different tune-ups that you can purchase for your bike with a list of what they do. So just call for an appointment today at 1-800-FIX-BIKE. Okay, we already went to the sales page, the events page, so let's go ahead and let's check out our contact page. We have our information here. We also have our Google Maps. We can scroll around, and we can also fill out our comments page, which we have a comment thank you page as well. And then we can go ahead and let's go ahead and check out in other views to show that it is responsive to the different sizes that we might want to look at. And services as well. And sales as well. Alright, and let's go ahead and let's check out with maybe our iPhone 8. That might be fun to look at. And here's our sales page if you are on an iPhone. Along with our home page and adventures and services. And let's go ahead and look at our events. That goes all the way down, you can see. And we can also look at our contact page that way. So it's all responsive to sizing, and I hope you enjoyed my site. Thanks.